If you want to record audio on your Google Pixel 10, then you can go to the app drawer and you can try to find the recorder app that should be pre-installed on your phone. So once you find it, you can open it. First, we need to press get started. We need to grant the access to notifications. You can also back up your recordings if you want to by using your Google account. You can also keep it offline. You can also detect and label speakers. So we can press yes, I'm in if you want to do that. And now we can press this red button in order to start recording. So let's go ahead, press this button, and now you are recording an audio. And over here we can also switch to speakers if you want to. We can of course pause, stop at any point, and we can tap on this trash icon in order to actually delete the recording. If you stop, then you can also add location to recordings if you want to, but I'm just gonna press no thanks. And yeah, let's press stop again, and our recording is saved in here. And you can of course tap on the recording in order to play it. We also have persons, of course, the speakers I mean. We can create a summarize in here, tap on these three dots in order to find more options. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.